Hello, my friends. Today, as this is my first video on math, I would want to describe myself. My name is Alexander and I love math, especially physics. Today, I want to present using a computer-generated voice because I don't have a microphone, the interesting sum of cos of 1 plus cos of 2 plus cos of 3 and so on. At first glance, this problem seems impossible to solve because unless we use Taylor series expansion, we can't find a relationship between cosine and its angle. But remember, there is no such thing as an unsolvable problem. At a closer look, we see that cosine can be written using the complex definition of itself, which is this one. This formula, derived from the use of complex conjugates, which I will not cover here, is useful. If we replace all the cosines from our series with this formula from 1 to n, we will get. Now, this monstrosity can be simplified by factorizing from all terms 1 over 2, and we obtain. So, in the brackets we have either e to the power of something positive or e to the power of something negative, so we collect all the terms in two separate rows. Now, we can see a familiar series in both the two rows, which is written using the Riemann sum, like this, where a, in our case, is e to the I, and n goes from 1 to n. As a familiar series, this has the following solution when n goes to n, and we replace this in our initial equation. We replace this series result in our initial equation, and we get something like this. I will not present the simplification here, because it will take a lot of time, and it is not too hard to do it by yourself. If you wish to know how to do this, you can look on Wolf from Alpha. Woo, I know. This video is not explained well. I admit that, but I want to tell you that I will make some other videos where I will clarify all of these problems you might have. But until then, you can ask me in the comments. With time, my videos will get better and much clearer and well structured. Okay, bye-bye, math nuts.